Start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning all of you. నాకు తెలిసిన విషయం ఏంటి అంటే చాలామంది ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ కోసము చాలా వరి అవుతున్నారని తెలిసింది. చాలా టెన్షన్ పడుతున్నారని అర్థమైంది. అందుకని నేను ఈ వీడియో చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఓకే, ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. దాని గురించి మీరు కంగారు పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఎక్కడ కూడా వరి అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, మనకి సాల్ట్ అనాలిసిస్, వీ హ్యావ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ సాల్ట్ అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ కాంపౌండ్ అనాలిసిస్. Salt analysis and compound analysis. Okay, salt analysis is also called as what is that systematic qualitative analysis. Salt and compound analysis are called as systematic qualitative analysis. Okay, qualitative analysis అనగానే ఒక డౌట్ వస్తుంది, మరి what is meant by quantitative analysis? Okay, then there will be a chance to asking in viva also. What is the difference between qualitative and quantitative? Qualitative means qualitative analysis means what is that that is qualitatively we identify what is that anions, cations present in that given salt, or that is qualitatively we identify the what is the functional group present in that given organic compound. That is called as qualitative analysis. What about quantitative analysis? Quantitative analysis means the estimation of amount of substance, that is consumed by the reaction. That is that amount is finding in grams. That is called as quantitative identification is called as quantitative analysis. Qualitatively identification of anions, cations or functional group present in that given compound, that is called as qualitative analysis. That is the viva question. Okay, then we go for that is qualitative analysis of salts. Okay, inorganic salts. We know that inorganic salt contains one anion and one cation. Okay, already they given what is that? They will give what is that one unknown salt. That unknown salt we have to find out what is the anion, what is the cation finding in that present in that salt. We know that already we did 3 experiments in inorganic salt. One is what is that ammonium chloride NaH4Cl and magnesium sulfate MgSO4 and what is that copper nitrate CuNH3 taken twice. Okay, copper nitrate CuNO3 taken twice. Okay, NH4Cl MgSO4 CuNO3 taken twice. Okay, these are the 3 salts. Okay, చూడండి చెప్పొచ్చు, విత్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్స్ మనం చూడమని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఏంటి సార్, కాపర్ నైట్రేట్ బ్లూ ఇన్ కలర్ రాగానికి ఏమర్థమైపోవాలి, దట్ ఈస్ ద కాపర్ నైట్రేట్. వన్ కాపర్ ఇస్ cation, నైట్రేట్ ఇస్ anion. ఓకే, MgSO4 మెగ్నీషియం సల్ఫేట్ ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టవచ్చు అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రజెంట్ లైక్ what is that is crystal like compound. That means మనకి షుగర్ క్రిస్టల్ లాగా ఉంటుంది, షుగర్ క్రిస్టల్స్. ఓకే, అమోనియం క్లోరైడ్ దట్ ఈస్ సాల్ట్ లైక్ కాంపౌండ్. మనకి టాటా సాల్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, టాటా సాల్ట్ జస్ట్ మనం పట్టుకోగానే గరుకుగా అనిపిస్తుంది. పట్టుకోగానే గరుకుగా నీకు అనిపించింది అంటే దట్ సింపుల్ what is that NaH4Cl. ఓకే, NaH4Cl and MgSO4 those are white in color. CuNO3 చూడాలని చెప్పొచ్చు what is that is copper nitrate. Okay, blue in color. Okay, then we go forward with that our experiment. What is that first what is that preliminary test, what is that color. Okay, color ఏంటి సార్, మనకున్న ఏంటి కలర్ ఏంటి, బ్లూ కలర్ ఒకటి ఉంది, వైట్ కలర్ ఒకటి ఉంది. ఓకే, బ్లూ కలర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, what is that if the salt is present in blue color there may be a chance to present of nickel or copper. అంటే కాపర్ డైరెక్ట్ గా ఉందని మనం రాయొద్దు. ఓకేనా, therefore రైటింగ్ స్కిల్స్ నేర్చుకోండి. మేబీ what is that nickel or copper is present. Maybe nickel or copper is present అని క్లారిటీగా మనం రాయాలి. ఓకే, నికెల్ ఆర్ కాపర్ is present. ఓకే, వైట్ ఇన్ కలర్ అంటే మనకి ఏమర్థం అయిపోవాలి సార్, ఆప్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ what we have to write, options of copper, nickel, iron, manganese, cobalt is cobalt are present. Okay, then we go for the second one, smell. ఓకే, స్మెల్ వచ్చేయండి ఓన్లీ అమోనియా ఒకటే కదా మనకి గివెన్, మనం చేసిన వాటిలో అమోనియా ఒకటే మనకి స్మెల్ వచ్చే కాంపౌండ్. ఓకే, దట్స్ వై therefore if the salt what is that requires ammonia color, మనకి అమోనియా కలర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, మేబీ what is that NaH4 plus is present. NH4 plus cation is present. Remaining what is that rotten egg smell ఉంది. Rotten egg smell that is S2 minus. Okay, that is not That is not present in our syllabus. Okay, S2 minus. Okay, దాని గురించి మనకు అవసరం లేదు. Therefore, what is that? Ammonia smell వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, maybe NH4 plus is present. Okay, then we go for solubility. Okay, all three salts, they are soluble in cold water. They are soluble in cold water. That's why cold water, given salt soluble in cold water, that is written in inference. Okay, then we go for what is that? Dry test. Okay, in dry test we have two observations. One is what is that? Colorless gas with the smell of ammonia. Colorless gas with the smell of ammonia is evolved. There may be a presence of ammonia. There may be a presence of what is that? Ammonia. Reddish brown with the pungent odor. There may be a presence of nitrate ion. There may be a presence of what is that? Nitrate ion. ఈ రెండు కాకుండా ఏముంటుంది సార్? ఇది రెండు కాకుండా ఏమున్నా కానీ what is that? అమోనియా రాలేదు, నీకు NO3 రాలేదు. రెండు కాకుండా ఏమొచ్చినా కానీ మనకు అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి what is that? మనకి అమోనియా లేదు, రెడ్డిష్ బ్రౌన్ వేపర్స్ రాలేదు అని అంటే అక్కడ మనం ఏం రాయాలి సార్? ఈ గ్యాప్ లో ఏం రాయాలి? What we have to write? Therefore, there is no characteristic gases or any gases are not evolved. Simple. Any gases are not evolved. Maybe what is that? Ammonia or SO3 minus or what is that? NO2 minus or NO3 minus. These are all absent. These are all what is that? Absent. Okay. Then we go for flame test. Okay, in flame test, what we have to write? Flame test angels are a given compound taken in a watch glass. Okay, add what is that? Concentrated HCl. Okay, 2 or 3 drops and make it paste with the use of glass rod that is what is that? Placed into the Bunsen burner flame. That is placed into the flame. Okay, if the flame burns with what is that? Blue in color. Okay, flame burns with the blue in color. What do you observe? Therefore, maybe copper is present. Okay, inka remaining what are the colors? If it is brick red, calcium. Okay, strontium is what is that? Crimson red. Okay, there are some other colors also present, but we no need of those cations. Okay, just we observed in flame color, blue in color, maybe copper is present. Okay, copper లేదు అనుకోండి, మేబీ అమోనియం మెగ్నీషియం ఉన్నట్టు కదా, కాబట్టి మెగ్నీషియం అని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయలేము కాబట్టి no characteristic colored flame is observed. Simply we have to write no characteristic colored flame is observed. There may be a what is that? Calcium, strontium, barium and copper, manganese, zinc are absent. You have to mention clearly they are the absent. Okay, that is the flame test. Then we go for identification test. Okay, we know that the anions which are present in the salts, okay, given salts, those are classified into 3 categories. Okay, first group the reagent is the dilute HCl. Okay, in viva question also ఈ group reagent అడగడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. There may be a chance to asking about okay, that is anions. That means acid radicals are classified into 3 types. Okay, 3 groups, 1, 2, 3. Okay, group 1, the group 1 reagent is dilute HCl. Okay, in dilute HCl we will find out the what is that? 4 cations: carbonate, sulfide and nitrite. Okay, what is the sulfide? Sulfide is ఎందుకన్నా sir? Why not sulfate? Okay, there is a viva question. Sulfide, what is the difference? If the sulfur having a more oxidation number, that is pronounced as sulfate, 8. Okay, therefore if it is the less oxidation state, okay, SO3, if it is present in less oxidation state, then we have to pronounce it as a sulfite. Okay, here also nitrite. Okay, lower oxidation state, that is called as nitrite. Higher oxidation state, NO3 minus, that is called as nitrate. Okay, these are the viva questions. Okay, therefore second group reagent is a concentrated H2SO4, chloride, bromide, iodide, nitrite and acetate. Okay, 5 acid radicals. And third group dilute HCl plus barium chloride. Okay, there may be a, that is this test is used for the identification of what is that? Sulfate. Okay, sulfate, SO4 2 minus. You have to by heart these symbols, formulas మీరు డెఫినెట్ గా బై హార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఫార్ములాస్ డెఫినెట్ గా మనము రాయాలి. అవి వైవా క్వశ్చన్ లో కూడా అడిగే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, SO4 2 minus sulfate. Okay, that is another one is concentrated HNO3 plus ammonium molybdate. This reaction used to finding the what is that? Phosphate. మనకు లేదు అయినా కానీ నేర్చుకుందాం. Phosphate. What is the ammonium molybdate formula? That is the viva question. What is that? NH4 taken 6 times MO7 O24. Okay, that is the phosphate PO4 3 minus. Okay, these are the 3 categories. Why acid radicals? Okay, anions are called as acid radicals, cations are called as basic radicals. Edukantam sir? Why? Because during the salt formation, inorganic salt formation, the cations are comes from base. Cations are comes from bases and anions are comes from acids. Anions are comes from acid. We know that neutralization reaction, acid reaction with the base, formation of salt takes place. Okay, for that formation of salt, during the salt formation, anions coming from acids, cations coming from bases. That's why they are called as base. Cations are called as basic radicals. Anions are called as acid radicals. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Then okay, group 1 reaction. Group 1. Okay. Group 1. మనకి తెలిసినా కానీ group 1 లో లేదని తెలిసినా కానీ బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. ఓకే, నీకు అర్థమైపోయింది గ్రూప్ 1 లో లేదని నీకు అర్థమైపోయింది. అయినా కానీ బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు గ్రూప్ 2, గ్రూప్ 1 మస్ట్ బి రైట్. ఓకే, లేకపోయినా కానీ నువ్వు రాయాల్సిందే. దట్ ఈస్ ద రైటింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రైటింగ్ ఆఫ్ that is the way of writing of that is a lab experiment. Okay, group 1 salt place we have to add a dilute HCl. Okay, dilute HCl add చేయాలి. Okay, gases are okay, ఇది మనకి లేవు కాబట్టి there is no group 1 reaction, group 1 acid radicals మనకి మనం చేయలేదు కాబట్టి what is that, gases are not evolved. Any gases are not evolved. Maybe what is that, carbonate, sulfide, sulfite and nitrate are absent. Nitrate are what is that, absent. Then group 2 salt plus we have to add with that concentrated H2SO4. Add H2SO4. Colored gas with a pungent smell. Okay, colored gas with a pungent smell gives white fumes when glass rod dipped in NH4Cl NH4OH solution. Okay, colored gas. ఏం చేస్తున్నాం సార్ ఇక్కడ? Salt plus H2SO4. That means what is that? Cl minus is present. Okay, maybe Cl minus కోసం రియాక్షన్ చేస్తున్నాం. That's why what is that, when NH4Cl plus H2SO4 NH4Cl H2SO4, what happened? What is that, NH4SO4 ammonium sulfate plus 2HCl. Okay, that pungent smell it is because of HCl, formation of HCl. That is the viva question. Why it is a pungent smell? Pungent smell is because of formation of HCl. When that is HCl reacting with NH4OH, ఎందుకు సార్ white fumes form అవుతున్నాయి? Why white fumes are formed in this reaction? Why? Because that the formation of HCl reacting with what is that, NH4OH, again formation of NH4Cl takes place. Ammonium chloride takes place. The formation of ammonium chloride, it gives white dense fumes. That is also viva question. Okay, that is the one that group 2. Okay, H2SO4. Okay, therefore if brown colored gases are evolved, what is that, there may be a presence of what is that, NO3 minus. Brown color రాంగా మనం ఏం చేయాలి సార్? Brown color gases are evolved, then you have to add carbohydrates. We have to add what is that, carbohydrates. Okay, formation of what is that, okay, the solution acquires blue in color. Blue color ఎందుకు వస్తుంది సార్? Why blue color? Then when that is the copper reacting with NO3 minus nitrate. Okay, formation of what is that, CONO3 taken twice, formation of copper nitrate takes place. The copper nitrate blue in color ఉంటుంది. Copper nitrate blue in color. Okay, that is the viva question. Okay, then we go for okay, if the chlorine is present, then the confirmation test is okay, salt solution. Okay, take a salt solution, you have to add silver nitrate, AgNO3. Okay, formation of white PPT takes place. White PPT is formed. Okay, white PPT ఎందుకు ఫామ్ అవుతుంది సార్? Why? Because when chlorine is present, NH4Cl plus AgNO3, silver nitrate. Okay, formation of AgCl takes place. The precipitate, what is that, AgCl. That AgCl precipitate white in color. Okay, that white color due to the presence of what is that, AgCl. Okay, which is insoluble in ammonium hydroxide. Which is insoluble in what is that, ammonium hydroxide. When AgCl reacting with NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, formation of what is that, complex takes place. AgNH3 taken twice and Cl. Okay, complex takes place. That complex does not dissolve in NH4OH. That formation of complex not dissolved. Okay, insoluble. Okay, therefore that is the chlorine is present. Then what is that? That is okay, confirmation test for nitrate. That is the very important question. Okay, brown ring test. Browning. What is the Browning test? Salt solution. You have to add a freshly prepared ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. Then you have to add what is that? The concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, on the walls of the test tube. Okay, on the walls of the test tube, you have to slowly add a concentrated H2SO4. Okay, therefore you can observe the brown ring. Brown ring formed in between the two solutions, two layers. That is the brown ring test. NO3 minus is confirmed. NO3 minus is confirmed. That brown ring contains, what is that? Brown ring contains FeSO4 Na. FeSO4 Na. NO. NO means nitric oxide. NO means what is that? Nitric oxide. Em chestum sir? Salt solution reacting with what is that? FeSO4 plus copper concentrated H2SO4. What happened? Em jarugutundi sir? Salt solution emundi neeku? Nitrate NO3 minus reacting with what is that? FeSO4 plus sulfuric acid. Okay, right. That is what is the brown ring? What is the browning formula? Why brown ring is formed? When that is the nitrate. If nitrate ion, salt contains nitrate ion is present, nitrate reacting with FeSO4, then presence of what is that? H2SO4. First of all, formation of nitric oxide. Formation of what is that? Nitric oxide. That formation of nitric oxide reacting with remaining salts of ferrous sulfate or FeSO4. FeSO4 formation of what is that? FeSO4NO. Formation of what is that? FeSO4NO. Okay, that brown ring contains FeSO4NO. FeSO4NO. Okay, that is you have to remember, that is also viva question. Okay, then we go for what is that? Group 3. Then we go for group 3. Salt solution plus what is that? Barium chloride. Salt solution plus barium chloride. You have to add barium chloride. Okay, therefore white PPT is formed. White PPT is formed. Why white PPT? Why? Because if the salt solution, the salt contains SO4, barium sulfate. Sulfate, that means what is that? What is the sulfate? Magnesium sulfate. When magnesium sulfate reacting with barium chloride, BaCl2, formation of BaSO4 takes place. That formation of BaSO4 white in color. Formation of BaSO4 white in color. Okay, that white color is due to the formation of barium sulfate. The barium sulfate insoluble in dilute HCl. That is the indication of what is that? Identification of what is that? SO4 2 minus. Maybe SO4 2 minus is present. Okay, therefore what is the confirmation? The confirmation is a salt solution plus acetic acid. Salt solution acidified with acetic acid. Then you have to add lead acetate. You have to add what is that? Lead acetate. White PPT is obtained. White PPT is obtained. White PPT contains what is that? Lead sulfate. PbSO4. White PPT is because of what is that? Formation of lead sulfate. Okay, therefore that formation of white PPT itself indicating the what is that? Formation of SO4 2 minus ion. SO4 2 minus ion. These are the acids. Okay, these are the acid formation of binding of acid radicals. Okay. Then identification of basic radicals. Already we explained that why they are called as basic radicals. The cations during the salt formation, cations are comes from what is that? Bases. That's why they are called as basic radicals. Okay, therefore that is the cations are mainly classified into what is that? Six categories. Group 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6. Okay, group 1. Okay, group 1 the reagent is these are also viva questions. We have to remember you have to what is that? Must be remembered what is that? Group reagents. First group reagent, what is that? Dilute HCl. Second group reagent, dilute HCl plus H2S. Third group reagent, ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Fourth group reagent, ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and H2S. Fourth group reagent, ammonium hydroxide and ammonium carbonate. Fifth group reagent, what is that? Fifth group reagent, what is that? Fourth group reagent is ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and H2S. Okay. Fifth group reagent is ammonium hydroxide and ammonium carbonate. Okay. Sixth group no reagent. Okay. No reagent. What are the cations which are present in those categories? First group contains what is that? Lead. Second group contains copper. Third group contains what is that? Aluminum and iron. Okay, Fe plus 3. Okay, fourth group contains nickel, cobalt, manganese, zinc. Fifth group contains calcium, strontium, barium. Sixth group contains magnesium. We have to by heart these. Okay, these cationic table and group reagents and cations which are present in this group. We have to by heart. Okay, definitely we go chunda. Okay, definitely go chunda. Okay, then before going to do the, that is the group reagents, group reactions. First of all, we have to do the zero group reaction. Zero group reaction, that means test for ammonia. Okay, test for ammonia. Okay, therefore that is what is that salt solution. Salt solution we have to add what is that NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Then bring out the what is that glass rod dipped in HCl solution. Glass rod dipped in HCl solution, that is allows into the mouth of the test tube. Mouth of the test tube. White dense fumes are observed. White dense fumes. White dense fumes is because of what is that NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. It is because of what is that ammonium chloride. Okay, that is self indicating the NH4 plus is present. NH4 plus is present. What is the confirmation test? The confirmation test is salt solution plus Nessler's reagent. You have to add Nessler's reagent. What is the Nessler's reagent formula? What is that? K2HgI4. 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 Okay, there may be asked to the chance of asking of what is that. What is the name of? What is the IUPAC name of Nessler's reagent? What is the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name is what is that? Potassium. What is that? Potassium. What is that? Tetraiode. Potassium tetraiode mercurate. Tetraiode. What is that? Mercurate 2. Mercurate 2. That is the IUPAC name of Nessler's reagent. Potassium tetraiode-mercurate 2 complex. Mercurate 2 complex. When salt solution, okay, therefore add Nessler's reagent, formation of chocolate brown color precipitate. Formation of chocolate brown color precipitate is observed. Presence of what is that NH4. NH4 plus is confirmed. Then always we have to write NH4 cation is confirmed. If it is confirmation test, if it is confirmation test confirmed and royal. Okay, there may be and royal also. Okay, no? NH4 plus is confirmed. Then you can go for group 1. If the NH4 plus is absent అయితే group 1 కి వెళ్ళాలి. If the ammonia is present, no need to go for groups. గ్రూప్స్ కి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరము లేదు. నీకు ఇచ్చిన అమోనియా క్లోరైడ్ అయితే యూ కెన్ స్టాప్ అప్ టు జీరో గ్రూప్. జీరో గ్రూప్ తో నువ్వు ఆగిపోవచ్చు. నో నీడ్ టు గో ఫర్ గ్రూప్స్ కి గ్రూప్ టెస్ట్లకు నువ్వు వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరము లేదు. ఇఫ్ ద అమోనియా ఇస్ అబ్సెంట్ దెన్ యూ గో ఫర్ గ్రూప్ 1. Then you go for what is that group 1. Salt solution plus you have to add what is that dilute HCl. That is the group reagent. Okay. White PVD is not formed. ఎందుకంటే సార్ మనకి ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ cation లేదు కదా. Lead plus is not that what is that not given in previous experiments. That's why white PVD is not formed. Maybe what is that lead plus 2 is absent. Okay. Then you go for what is that. Okay, same test tube. White PVD నీకు ఫామ్ కాలే. అదే టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ లో నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలి సార్? యూ హ్యావ్ టు పాస్ ది H2S గ్యాస్. సేమ్ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ 1 and 2. Group 1 and group 2 you have to do with what is that? You have to do the same test tube. Okay, dilute యాడ్ చేస్తావు. వైట్ PVD రాకపోతే you have to add what is that H2S gas pass చేస్తే you can get what is that black PVD. If the copper is present, you can get what is that black PVD. If the black PVD is formed, presence of what is that Cu plus 2. Okay, that black PVD. Why black PVD is formed? Formation of what is that copper sulfide. Okay, presence of what is that copper sulfide. That black PVD indicates are present. Okay, there may be Cu plus 2 is present. Okay, what is the confirmation test? Okay, boil that precipitate with distilled water. ఆ precipitate కి మనం ఏం చేయాలి సార్? distilled water ని యాడ్ చేస్తాం. Then we have to add excess of ammonium hydroxide. A blue solution is obtained. That solution acidified with acetic acid add చేస్తే you can get what is that brown color PPT వస్తుంది. Okay, that brown color PPT, the formation of brown color PPT itself indicating the presence of copper. Then you have to write Cu plus 2 is confirmed. Cu plus 2 is confirmed. నీ కాపర్ వచ్చేసింది, నో నీడ్ టు గో ఫర్ థర్డ్ గ్రూప్ కి నువ్వు వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరము లేదు. ఇక్కడతో నీ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అయిపోయింది. దెన్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ రిజల్ట్ రాసేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. కాపర్ రాలే, దెన్ యూ గో ఫర్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ థర్డ్ గ్రూప్. Then if the copper is not present, then you go for what is that group 3. Okay, salt solution place we have to add ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Salt solution place ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. First to second group, okay, test tube lo chestam kada. Then third group, before going to third group you have to change the test tube change cheyali. Okay, new test tube తీసుకోవాలి. New test tube salt solution place what is the salt solution is nothing but salt, we have to add water. Okay, that is a dissolved solution. That dissolved solution added with what is that NH4Cl and ammonium hydroxide. Okay, PPT is not formed. ఎందుకని సార్ PPT nika iron aluminum మనకు చేయలేదు కదా. That's why PPT is not formed. You have to written like that. You have to write like this. PPT is not formed. Maybe Fe plus 3 and Al plus 3 is not formed. Al plus 3 is not formed. Okay, then we go for group 4. Group 3rd and group 4 you have to do in same test tube. Group 3rd నీకు PPT రాలే, PPT రాకపోతే then you have to pass H2S gas. You have to pass H2S gas in same test tube. In same test tube here also black PPT is not formed. Black PPT is not formed. Maybe zinc, magnesium, cobalt and nickel is absent. Nickel is absent. Then you go for that is the fifth group with the new test tube. Test tube marval. Okay, test tube with new test tube తీసుకొని salt solution plus ammonium is added. PPT is not formed. ఇక్కడ కూడా నీకు PPT రాదు ఎందుకంటే fifth group cations లేవు కాబట్టి PPT is not formed. Maybe barium, strontium and calcium are absent. Calcium are absent. Okay, then we go for sixth group direct గా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం with the new test tube. Sixth group new test tube తో వెళ్ళిపోతాం. What is that? Salt solution plus dilute HCl plus magnesium reagent plus NaOH. Okay, NaOH add చేయాలి. What is that? Salt solution plus dilute HCl, then you have to add magnesium reagent plus what is that? Sodium hydroxide. What you get? A blue PPT is formed. Mg plus 2 is confirmed. Okay, what is the magnesium reagent? What is the viva question is what is the magnesium reagent? The magnesium reagent is what is that? Magnesium reagent the formula is what is this? The formula is like this. This is the magnesium reagent formula. Okay, what is the magnesium reagent formula? This is what is that? Benzene ring attached with what is that? Attached with 1 and 3 positions. OH and OH present in 1 and 3 position. That is called as a resorcinal. The name of the compound is resorcinal. Okay, what is the name of this compound? Para-nitro. Okay, para-nitrophenyl azo. Okay, N double bond N. That group is called as azo. Para-nitrophenyl azo. Okay, or what is that? 4-nitro. Para means 4-nitrophenyl azo resorcinal. Phenyl azo, what is that? Resorcinal means that is benzene ring which is attached with 2 OH group with 1 and 3 positions. That's why therefore for this ring this is attached with the 4th position. That's why 4-nitrophenyl azo resorcinal. That is the magnesium reagent. That is what is that? Group 5th. Okay, therefore then we go for result. Okay, magnesium వచ్చింది. Magnesium ఉంది, నీ యొక్క salt magnesium sulfate అయితే కనుక up to you have to write 6th group. అమోనియా అయితే కనుక 0 group తో నువ్వు ఆగిపోవచ్చు. కాపర్ అయితే కనుక 2nd group తో నువ్వు ఆగిపోవచ్చు. అదే మెగ్నీషియం అయితే కనుక ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ నాట్ అబ్టైన్డ్, సెకండ్ గ్రూప్ నాట్ అబ్టైన్డ్, థర్డ్ గ్రూప్ నో పీపీటీ ఇస్ ఫార్మ్డ్, ఫోర్త్ గ్రూప్ నో పీపీటీ, అప్ టు యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ సిక్స్త్ దాకా మనం రాయాల్సిందే. That is the procedure. Okay, then go for result. Okay, the given salt containing acid radical is రాయాలి. If it is nitrate NO3 minus, if it is sulfate SO4 2 minus, if it is chloride Cl minus. Okay, basic radical copper Cu plus 2, what is that? Magnesium Mg2 plus, what is that? Ammonium NH4 plus, ammonia కాదు ammonium అని రాయాలి. Okay, if it is ammonia is present as what is that ionic form, you have to add ium as a suffix. Ium as a suffix. That is also viva question. NH4 plus ammonium. Okay, ammonium chloride. Then you have to write the salt name. If it is ammonium chloride, the what is that? The similarly, what is that? The formula is NH4Cl. If it is magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. If it is a copper nitrate, CuNO3 taken twice. This is also called as cupric nitrate. Cupric nitrate. Okay, cupric nitrate. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. This is an salt analysis. Okay, don't worry, భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సాల్ట్ చూడంగా మీరు చెప్పొచ్చు. ఓకే, కాపర్ నైట్రేట్ బ్లూ కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది, ఈజీగా నువ్వు ఐడెంటిఫై అయిపోతుంది. MgSO4 మీకు దట్ ఈస్ షుగర్ లైక్ క్రిస్టల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకసారి మీరు గూగుల్లో కూడా సెర్చ్ చేయండి, షుగర్ లైక్ క్రిస్టల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, NH4Cl అనుకోండి, మీకు పట్టుకోవడంలో గరుకు కనిపిస్తుంది, వెంటనే మీకు ఐడెంటిఫై అయిపోతుంది NH4Cl. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ సాల్ట్ అనాలిసిస్. ఓకే గైస్, in this video we are going to discuss about the what is that qualitative analysis of organic compound. Okay, analysis of organic compound also comes under qualitative analysis, that is not a quantitative. Okay, qualitative analysis. Okay, in organic compound analysis, therefore what are the preliminary tests? First of all, state. Okay, the physical state of the organic compound. If the given compound is solid, the state is solid, maybe carbohydrate or aromatic carboxylic acids are present. Okay, there may be a chance to presence of carbohydrate or aromatic carboxylic acid. If it is liquid, the given compound is liquid, maybe without phenol, carbonyl compounds and aliphatic acids are present. Aliphatic acids avadanikku chance. Maybe a presence of phenol, carbonyl compounds and aliphatic acids. Aliphatic acids. Okay, then next test is the color. If it is colorless, okay, there may be a presence of what is that carboxylic acid, carbonyl compounds or carbohydrates. We know that glucose ఏ కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది, white in color, that's why that is colorless. Carbohydrate. Okay, light brown లో ఉంటే maybe it is phenol. Okay, reddish brown లో ఉంటే maybe it is aromatic amine. చూడంలో చెప్పేసేయచ్చు. Okay, if it is amine, reddish brown color is present. Reddish brown color. Okay, if it is phenol, it is appeared like what is that light brown. Okay, therefore then we go for what is that odor. Okay, phenolic smell. If the phenolic smell is appeared, what is that maybe phenol. Fishy smell, amine. Okay, sweet smell, ketone. No characteristic smell is observed, maybe carboxylic acid or carbohydrate. Carboxylic acid or carbohydrate. Okay, పట్టుకొని చూడండి, పట్టుకొని చూస్తే మీకు గ్లూకోజ్ లాగా అనిపించింది అనుకోండి, జస్ట్ టేస్ట్ చేస్తే ఈజీలీ యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate మీకు ఐడెంటిఫై అవుతుంది. Then we go for flame test. This is very important. Okay, if it is a compound is aliphatic or aromatic, okay, you identify cheyali ante ganaka flame test is very important. Okay, just a small pinch of compound taken in a test tube, the test tube introduced into the flame. Test tube, not test tube. What is that spatula? Okay, the small pinch of compound taken in a spatula, that spatula introduced into the what is that flame. Okay, therefore non-suitive flame is obtained, aliphatic. Okay, suitive flame is obtained, masito koodina manta. Okay, suitive flame is nothing but masito koodina manta. Suitive flame is obtained, that is aromatic compound. That is aromatic compound. If it is carbohydrate, నీకు నాన్ సూటివ్ ఫ్లేమ్ వస్తుంది. If it is amine, that is సూటివ్ ఫ్లేమ్ వస్తుంది. If it is carboxylic acid, aliphatic అయితేనేమో నాన్ సూటివ్ ఫ్లేమ్. If it is aromatic, సూటివ్ ఫ్లేమ్ వస్తుంది. Okay, right. Then we go for solubility. Solubility is very important. With the use of solubility, you can easily identify the compound. ikkada nik compound edo anedi easy ga ardhamayipotundi. What is that? If it is water soluble. Okay, water soluble, what is that? If it is soluble in water, what is that? Aliphatic carboxylic acid, carbonyl compounds and carbohydrate. We know that carbonyl compound, carbohydrates are dissolved in water. Okay, aliphatic carboxylic acid dissolved in water. Carbonyl compound, that means lower member of the series. Those are also dissolved in water. Okay, then hot water. Okay, maybe phenol or aromatic acids. Okay, therefore next ether. Okay, except carbohydrate, remaining all are what is that? Carboxylic acids, amines, phenols, all are soluble in ether except carbohydrate. ఈథర్లో సాల్యుబుల్ కాలేదు అని అంటే డెఫినెట్గా నువ్వు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఎస్ దట్ ఈస్ ది కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ అని నువ్వు కన్ఫర్మ్ అయిపోవచ్చు. కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ అని కన్ఫర్మ్ అయిపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, దేర్ఫోర్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది సాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ ఈథర్లో సాల్యుబుల్ అయింది అని అంటే మరి దాట కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ కాదనమాట. ఓకే, కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ కాదు, రిమైనింగ్ ఏదో ఉండుంటారు. ఓకే, దెన్ what is that sodium what is that bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate. With the use of sodium bicarbonate we can easily identify the what is that carboxylic acid, easily identify the carbon soluble with brisk effervescence, soluble the compound soluble in sodium bicarbonate with brisk effervescence. Okay, brisk effervescence vastayi. Okay, therefore brisk effervescence vastayi maybe carboxylic acid is present, dilute NaOH. Okay, when the compound dissolved in dilute NaOH, the compound is soluble aithe, okay, that is soluble regenerated with dilute HCl, soluble ayyi when we have to add a dilute HCl add chesinappudu regenerate aithe ante compound tirigi malla form aithe that is called as a regeneration. Okay, if it is soluble in NaOH regenerated with dilute HCl, maybe what is that phenol, this is the identification test for phenol. NaOH నీకు డిజాల్వ్ అవుతుంది అండ్ what is that HCl నీకు రీజనరేట్ అవుతుంది. HCl రీజనరేట్ అయింది అంటే that itself indicating the having acidic in nature. Okay, that is also viva question. ఎందుకు HCl రీజనరేట్ అవుతుంది? Why? Because what is that the phenol having acidic in nature. Okay, maybe phenol. Then dilute HCl soluble and regenerated with NaOH. Okay, dilute HCl soluble అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు soluble అవుతుంది సార్? Basic in nature కాబట్టి. Okay, therefore basic in nature that is soluble and regenerated with sodium hydroxide. అయితే కనుక maybe amines, that's why amines having basic in nature ananta. Okay, therefore with the use of solubility you can easily identify the compound. What is that ether లో soluble కాలేదు అని అంటే carbohydrate, సోడియం బైకార్బోనేట్ కి ఎఫర్వెసెన్స్ వచ్చింది అని అంటే కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్, NaOH డిజాల్వ్ అయింది అని అంటే what is that డిజాల్వ్ అయింది రీజనరేట్ అయింది అంటే ఫినాల్, రీజనరేట్ కాలేదు అని అంటే కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్, కాలేదే carboxylic acid. Okay, dilute HCl soluble అయింది regenerated with what is that NaOH regenerate అయితే what is that amines. Okay, amines basic in nature. Then we go for unsaturation. Compound plus alkaline KMnO4. Alkaline KMnO4 also called as Bayer's reagent. That is also viva question. Okay, what is the Bayer's reagent? Alkaline potassium permanganate, that is called as Bayer's reagent. Potassium, we know that potassium permanganate color is pink in color. Okay, pink colored solution. Okay, when compound added to the what is that potassium permanganate, if the pink color is disappears, that means decolorized. The decolorization of KMnO4 itself indicating that compound is unsaturated compound. The compound is what is that unsaturated compound నీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. Okay, therefore if it is not decolorized కాలేదు అంటే saturation means aliphatic అయి ఉంటారు. Okay, saturation means aliphatic. Unsaturation means what is that aromatic. Okay, benzene ring ఉంది అంటే unsaturation. Okay, therefore that is identification test. Then we go for identification test. Test for what is that carboxylic acid identification test. What is the compound which is used for what is that carboxylic acid identification? What is that sodium bicarbonate? When compound added to the sodium bicarbonate, brisk effervescence are what is that obtained or formed. Okay, maybe what is that carboxylic acid is present. Okay, then we go for phenol. Compound plus neutral ferric chloride FeCl3 neutral ferric chloride add చేస్తే green or violet color, that is the violet color solution is obtained. Okay, then maybe what is that phenol is present. Green or violet color వస్తే phenol present అవుతుంది. Okay, then carbonyl compound plus 2,4-DNP. What is the test? What is the compound which is used to identification of carbonyl compound? That is the 2,4-DNP. 2,4-DNP means 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. ఇవన్నీ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి డెఫినెట్ గా వైవా క్వశ్చన్ లో 2,4-DNP, టోలెన్స్ రియేజెంట్ అండ్ what is that పేలింగ్ రియేజెంట్ ఇవన్నీ అడగడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. వైవా క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇవన్నీ అడగడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. What is the tolens reagent? Tolens reagent is ammonical silver nitrate. That is the tolens reagent. What is the paling reagent? Sodium or potassium tartarate. That is called as the paling solution. Okay, toluenes. Okay, when the compound, when we add a 2,4-DNP, therefore orange or yellow color prefix is obtained. What is that? Maybe carbonyl compound. Maybe carbonyl compound is present. Okay, then we go for what is that? Test for alcohol. Okay, when compound, okay, first of all, you have to take the sodium piece in the test tube, you have to add what is that given compound adjust effervescence are obtained, effervescence are formed, maybe alcohol is present, effervescence vaste, that is alcohols. Test for amines, okay, compound, okay, test for already మనం solubility చేసినాం కదా, when compound added to the what is that dilute HCl, that is soluble in dilute HCl and regenerated with sodium hydroxide, that is the test for what is that amine. Regenerate అయితే amine present is, okay, regenerate అవ్వకపోతే amine is absent. Okay, then we go for carbohydrate. This is the very important test, that is the Mollis test. Okay, viva question is what is the Mollis test, why it is used for? Okay, Mollis test is what is that reaction with alpha naphthol and concentrated H2SO4, that is called as Mollis test. Okay, this is used to indicating the or identifying the what is that carbohydrates. Okay, therefore compound plus alpha naphthol and to this solution, okay, concentrated H2SO4 is added. Okay, violet colored ring is formed. Violet color ring form అవుతుంది మనకి అక్కడ నైట్రేట్ లో బ్రౌన్ రింగ్ ఏ విధంగా అయితే ఫామ్ అయిందో, here also violet color ring is formed between the two solutions or two layers. Maybe what is that carbohydrate is present. Okay guys, then I go for confirmation test. Only you have to do the one identification and one confirmation test. If the what is that amine is identified in identification, we can go for what is that confirmation test of amine. No need to do the all confirmation reactions. Okay, therefore only one identification, one confirmation. Only one identification, one confirmation is enough. Okay, then that is first of all carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid. For that we have to do the what is that esterification reaction. మనం తెలిసిందే కదా, what is that compound taken in a test tube, you have to add ethanol. And what is that dilute concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, concentrated sulfuric acid, that reaction mixture heated, the reaction mixture allowed to heat, and then that is the poured into what is that beaker. Then poured into what is that beaker containing what is that sodium carbonate solution. We will get fruity smell. Okay, you will get what is that fruity smell. తీయని పండ్ల వాసన వస్తుంది, fruity smell. Okay, the presence of fruity smell itself indicating the what is that carboxylic acid is confirmed. This is the what is that esterification reaction. Presence of fruity smell itself indicating the formation of ester takes place. Okay, the fruity smell itself indicating what is that ester. Presence of ester takes place. Okay, that's why this reaction is esterification reaction. Then we go for what is that confirmation of what is that carbonyl group, toluene reagent. First of all, you have to add toluene reagent. Compound taken in a test tube, you have to add what is that toluene reagent. Okay, then you have to add on the toluene reagent, then you have to add on a water bath లో మనం హీట్ చేస్తే you will get a silver mirror on the walls of the test tube. Okay, if it is carbonyl group is present, silver mirror is present on the what is that formed on the walls of the test tube. That silver mirror formed itself indicating the presence of aldehyde, not ketones. Ketone does not give toluene reagent. Positive test with the toluene reagent. Okay, toluene reagent తో test ని ఇవ్వదు. Okay, what is the toluene reagent? What is that ammonical silver nitrate. Ammonical silver nitrate is the toluene reagent. Then we go for failing test. What is that failing test? Okay, before going to failing test, you have to add failing solution, failing A and failing B. What is the failing A solution? Copper sulfate solution. What is the failing B? Sodium or potassium tartarate solution. Failing and the failing B solutions are combined with one another. That combined solution, okay, added with what is that compound, and then heated on water bath. You will get what is that brick red precipitate. Okay, brick red precipitate itself indicating what is that Cu2O. Okay, Cu2O. Okay, that Cu2O, formation of Cu2O. Okay, it indicating the brick red. Okay, aldehyde is confirmed. Okay, formation of brick red also itself indicating the what is that aldehyde is confirmed. Okay, therefore we have to remember one thing here. Aromatic aldehyde does not give what is that brick red. Paling solution, paling to the positive test radu. Okay, therefore why because in aldehydes, in aromatic aldehydes there is no alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen అక్కడ ఉండదు. Alpha hydrogen is necessary for giving positive test with paling solution. Paling solution. Then we go for test for carbohydrate. Then we go for test for carbohydrate. Carbohydrate with Benedict's solution. Okay, carbohydrate added with what is that? Benedict's solution. What is the Benedict's solution? Benedict's solution it is the combination of copper sulfate, pentahydrate, Benedict's solution. We have to add Benedict's solution to the compound. Okay, what is the Benedict's solution? Okay, Benedict's solution formula is copper sulfate, pentahydrate and sodium carbonate and what is that? Sodium citrate. Sodium citrate mixture is called as Benedict's solution. Okay, that is the viva question. Okay, when Benedict's solution added to the compound, you will get a brick red precipitate. Okay, the formation of a brick red itself indicating the presence carbohydrate is confirmed. Okay, presence of carbohydrate, therefore carbohydrate is confirmed. Okay, then we'll go for test for ammonia. Test for amines. Compound, first of all, compound kept in a small amount of compound taken in a test tube that is kept in ice. Then what is that? Another test tube taken in another test tube. What is that? A mixture. The test tube contains what is that? A mixture of sodium nitrate. Mixture of what is that? Sodium nitrate and HCl. Sodium nitrate and HCl. That is also kept in ice. Okay, these both solutions are added to the what is that? Beta naphthol in sodium hydroxide. Okay, both the solutions are added to the what is that? Beta naphthol in sodium hydroxide. Then formation of what is that? Scarlet red azodite formation. Azodite precipitate is formed. Scarlet red azodite precipitate is formed. This reaction is called as diazotization. Diazotization. Only what is that? Aromatic amines, aromatic primary amines can give azodite test. Okay, that is in case of aliphatic primary amines also. This is also what is that viva question. Why primary amines, aliphatic primary amines does not give diazo test? They also gives a diazoform reaction, but that diazonium chloride is what is that? The diazonium chloride is unstable. But in case of aromatic amines, that is the stable azodite is formed. Okay, that is confirm the, okay, that is self indicating the confirmation of amine. Then we go for finally test for alcohols. Okay, for that compound taken in the test tube, we have to add what is that? Can stearic ammonium nitrate. Okay, therefore we will get what is that? Red color solution. That the formation of red color solution itself indicating the alcohol group is present. Okay, then you go for finally you have to write a result. Given organic compound, aliphatic or aromatic? Okay, you have to mention aliphatic amine or aromatic amine. ఎందుకు mention చేయాలి sir? With the use of sooty flame, you can easily identify whether it is aliphatic or aromatic. That's why you have to write the given organic compound is aliphatic amine or aromatic carboxylic acid like that. Okay, this is the what is that analysis of organic compound. You have to remember. Therefore, aldehydes, ketones, and alcohol. You know what is that? That is named reactions also. You have to learn the named reactions also. Named reactions kuda నేర్చుకొని రావాలి. Williamson synthesis or what is that? Ettard reaction or what is that? Benzyne condensation, aldol condensation. Okay, these are all you have to named reactions. You have to by heart. Okay, Clemens reaction, Wolff-Kishner reaction. అవన్నీ బై హార్ట్ చేసుకొని రండి. ఓకే, మేబీ ఏ ఛాన్స్ టు ఆస్కింగ్ మీన్ వైవల్ అడగడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే, రైట్. ఓకే, నో నీడ్ టు వరీ, ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు, మీరు పెద్ద వరీ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం ఏమీ లేదు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ అలా.